Glowing star, want to unlock the secret to vibrant health and delicious meals? Discover how beetroot, the superfood powerhouse, can transform your breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even dessert. Watch till the end to explore mouth-watering recipes that are not only nutritious but also visually stunning and satisfying. The beetroot benefits. Beetroot is rich in essential nutrients like fiber, folate, iron, and potassium. Its deep red color, attributed to natural pigments called betalains, offers antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Incorporating beetroot into your meals can boost energy levels, improve digestion, and support heart health. Moreover, its versatility in culinary applications makes it a perfect addition to any dish. Breakfast boosters. Beetroot smoothie. Start your day with a refreshing beetroot smoothie. Blend beetroot with bananas, berries, spinach, and almond milk for a nutrient-packed, energizing drink. This smoothie is not only rich in antioxidants but also aids digestion and enhances stamina. Beetroot and goat cheese breakfast bowl. Combine roasted beetroot slices with creamy goat cheese, avocado, and a handful of arugula. Add a drizzle of olive oil and lemon juice for a balanced and satisfying breakfast bowl. The sweet and savory flavors create a delightful morning experience. Lunchtime delights. Beetroot and lentil salad. Toss boiled beetroot with protein-rich lentils, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and a zesty vinaigrette. This salad is not only colorful but also packed with fiber and essential nutrients. Customize it with your favorite toppings like feta cheese or toasted seeds. Beetroot and quinoa burger. For a hearty yet healthy lunch, try a beetroot and quinoa burger. Blend grated beetroot with cooked quinoa, garlic, and spices. Form patties and bake until crispy. Serve with whole grain buns, avocado slices, and a dollop of yogurt sauce. Dinner time feasts. Beetroot and roasted vegetable medley. Roast beetroot with carrots, bell peppers, and zucchini. Drizzle with olive oil and sprinkle with herbs for a flavorful side dish. The earthy sweetness of beetroot perfectly complements the other vegetables. Beetroot risotto. Cook arborio rice with beetroot puree, garlic, and vegetable broth. Stir in Parmesan cheese and finish with fresh herbs. The creamy texture and vibrant color make this dish a feast for both the eyes and the palate. Beetroot lasagna. Layer thin slices of beetroot with ricotta cheese, spinach, and marinara sauce. Bake until bubbly and golden. This unique twist on lasagna is both nutritious and satisfying. Sweet treat surprise. Beetroot chocolate cake. Add grated beetroot to your chocolate cake batter for a moist and rich dessert. The beetroot enhances the cake's texture and adds a subtle sweetness. Beetroot brownies. Incorporate beetroot puree into your brownie mix for a fudgy and healthy treat. The natural sweetness of beetroot reduces the need for added sugar. Beetroot ice cream. Blend beetroot puree with coconut milk and honey, then freeze for a creamy and refreshing dessert. Top with crushed nuts or dark chocolate shavings for added crunch. Conclusion. Beetroot's versatility allows you to create a wide range of dishes, from smoothies and salads to hearty dinners and decadent desserts. Incorporate the superfood into your daily meals to enjoy its health benefits and unique flavors. Try these recipes and share your favorite beetroot creations in the comments.